Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can use the BambuLab AMS. Now, I'm referring to the official step-by-step instructions from Bamboo Wiki. Now, from here, basically we have to load the filament first. You want to select to load your filament. When the indicator starts breathing, you want to push down the button forward and insert the filament until it is pulled in automatically. Now there's multiple filament indication for something like white. The tray is loaded but not used. For the white breathing or pulsing, the tray is busy. And for red, we have possible filament status error. Now for AMS control interface, we have the RFID reading buttons and indicators. We have the filament color and type incisation, and we have the edit or view filament information. So it's going to be this one right here. We also have the AMS mapping and many more. So from there, we want to set the filament type and select the color by clicking on the edit button. We can simply do that inside our Bamboo Studio, inside the project filaments. And from here, you just want to click on the plus icon, select your filament, click on the color icon, and select whatever color you want to apply onto your project. And so right after that, you also have additional informations on something like the preferences. Basically, if the multi-device management is enabled, auto mapping cannot be performed. And then you can simply enable that right here, which is going to be under general setting. Now you should also select the printer that you want to work with in the device screen. And then in the prepare screen, you want to click the sync icon and then click on resync. And basically from there, you have successfully used AMS on your Bamboo printer. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.